Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best car refrigerator that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Dometic CFX Portable Electric Freezer. Dometic CFX Portable Electric Cooler and Freezer is made for people who enjoy outdoor travel or need reliable food storage while off-grid. With a 25-liter capacity, this compact unit offers space for chilled drinks, fresh ingredients, or frozen goods without requiring regular ice. Its design works well in cars, vans, boats, and camping setups, making it a dependable choice for weekend getaways or extended road trips. The cooler supports power through alternating current, direct current, or solar energy, helping users stay flexible no matter where they travel. A built-in battery guard system helps prevent power loss by protecting from battery drain. Its tough outer shell is made to resist impact and handle rough weather or road conditions. Aluminum handles add both strength and comfort for carrying in and out of vehicles. This unit uses VMSO3 compressor technology to cool or freeze contents down to 7 degrees Fahrenheit below zero. The automatic defrost system saves time and keeps performance steady in changing environments. The inside space remains well organized while offering enough room for daily use. A digital screen and soft control buttons make it easy to view or change temperature settings. With wireless control through a mobile application, the unit's operation can be managed from a distance using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. This cooler and freezer combination is built for modern outdoor use with dependable cooling, power-saving features, and long-lasting construction that suits many kinds of adventures or road life. In our list, the number 2 product name is ICECO Go20 Dual Zone 12V Refrigerator. ICECO Go20 Dual Zone Refrigerator offers a compact cooling solution for people who travel in trucks, sport utility vehicles, or recreational vehicles. With a 21-quart capacity, this portable unit provides space for frozen food and chilled drinks without requiring any ice. The body is built to handle bumps and uneven roads, making it useful during long road trips or off-road adventures. Its design allows use in both moving vehicles and stationary setups, giving flexibility for various outdoor needs. This electric cooler includes 2 doors and can switch between single or dual compartment mode. A removable divider helps separate freezing and refrigeration functions when needed. Temperature levels range from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, helping store a mix of items like fruits, meats, and cold beverages. Its internal system includes a strong compressor that cools contents quickly while staying energy efficient. Power supply options include direct current and alternating current, allowing the unit to work in homes or cars. The cooler supports wireless control through a mobile application, letting users adjust settings with a device. A built-in screen allows manual temperature changes using touch controls. This model has been awarded for design excellence and holds certifications for quality. Its size makes it easy to store while offering advanced features for travel use. Anti-shock construction helps keep the unit running on tilted or rough surfaces. With support service and a long compressor warranty, it suits people who want dependable cooling without traditional bulk or limitations. In our list, the number 3 product name is EUHOMY 12-volt car refrigerator. EUHOMY 12-volt refrigerator is made for people who need portable cooling while traveling or spending time outdoors. With a large capacity of 59 quarts, this electric cooler stores a wide range of items including fresh food, cold drinks, and frozen goods. Its compact build fits well in trucks, campers, or small spaces at home, offering flexibility for both road use and indoor storage. The refrigerator runs on both alternating current and direct current, making it suitable for homes, vehicles, and travel situations. It includes a digital screen for easy control and uses an internal light for better visibility in low light settings. The dual zone layout keeps items separated, reducing smell and helping with organized storage. A removable basket inside makes loading and unloading easier during daily use. Temperature can be managed through a mobile application using Bluetooth, letting users check or adjust settings without touching the cooler directly. This helps during long drives or outdoor setups where moving around may be limited. The compressor works fast and reaches freezing point quickly, saving time when cooling items during trips. This 12-volt cooler includes battery safety with 3 adjustable levels to prevent low power or system overload. Energy usage remains low due to eco mode, while max mode cools faster when needed. The product is backed by customer support and technical assistance, helping travelers and daily users maintain performance and convenience wherever they go. It combines storage size, power options, and simple control for modern mobile living. In our list, the number 4 product name is BougeRV 12-volt Potable Car Refrigerator. BougeRV 12-volt refrigerator is made for people who travel often and need a portable way to keep food and drinks cold. With a compact size and 23-quart capacity, this electric cooler fits well in trucks, vans, sport utility vehicles, and campers. It can be used on the road, at campsites, during tailgate events, or for daily travel. The cooler helps save space and money by removing the need for traditional ice. This car refrigerator supports both alternating current and direct current power, allowing connection at home or in a vehicle. It includes cords for both types of power, making it ready for flexible use in different places. The memory feature remembers past settings, which helps make setup faster the next time it is used. Cooling starts quickly and reaches freezing level within a short time, which helps keep perishable food safe during travel. The strong internal system uses less energy and stays below 1 kilowatt-hour per day even in faster modes. Its low noise level supports better rest during overnight stays or long trips. Battery protection settings prevent energy drain from the vehicle by shutting off the cooler at selected power levels. This helps avoid unwanted breakdowns or system loss during use. The unit is light enough to move easily and strong enough to work on rough roads or slopes. With basic care, such as keeping it away from sunlight, this cooler can support different users through reliable and quiet performance wherever cooling is needed. In our list, the number 5 product name is Alpicool C15 Portable Car Refrigerator. Alpicool's C15 Portable Car Freezer offers a compact and lightweight solution for keeping items fresh during outdoor travel. With a storage capacity of 16 quarts or 15 liters, this 12-volt refrigerator is suitable for road trips, camping, boating, or daily vehicle use. The size fits well in tight spaces and can hold a variety of food and drink items without needing extra ice. This makes it useful for solo travelers, couples, or anyone needing short-term cold storage while away from home. This cooler supports both direct current and alternating current connections, making it flexible for car and indoor use. The system maintains consistent cooling through thick insulation and a sealed structure. The outer case is made from strong plastic that is easy to clean and carry. It works with small solar setups, helping off-grid users manage storage without traditional power. Fast cooling technology drops the temperature quickly, helping to preserve freshness even on long routes. The defrost system remains frost-free, reducing the need for constant maintenance. With battery protection at 3 levels, users can choose how much power the cooler uses to prevent full drain from vehicle batteries. The memory function helps maintain previous temperature settings for easier restart. Internal space fits up to 20 cans, and the quiet operation ensures comfort during overnight stops. This refrigerator is made to perform in different weather and road conditions, offering peace of mind and steady performance during everyday or extended travel. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.